Hi, Jim Palsowitz, Managing Partner with Action Coach of Southeast Wisconsin. As we talk with business owners these days, one of the biggest challenges we keep hearing is how do I attract and retain great people in today's tight labor economy? So that's why I'm excited to team up with Jonathan Reynolds from Titus Talent Strategies, Wisconsin's premier recruiting firm, to present Building a High-Performing Culture. So this is a workshop for business owners, Tuesday morning, May 21st at Westmore Country Club. So Jonathan and I are going to hit head on the biggest challenges people are having attracting and recruiting great people today. We're going to share real world tools and strategies, right, to help you build the best and brightest team and culture that you can, even in today's economy. So click below and register. We look forward to seeing you there. If not having enough great people is holding your business back, this is a workshop you need to attend. So look forward to seeing you there.